Hey everyone, so I recently completed the One Funnel Away challenge by Clickfunnels. You can check out my unboxing video on one of these links here. For those of you who don't know what the One Funnel Away challenge is, it's basically a 30-day challenge by Clickfunnels where you'll be guided step by step on how you can create your very first funnel. Or in layman's terms, how you can create and launch your very first product online. Now, I'm sure you've seen a ton of review videos and unboxing videos on YouTube talking about how great the challenge really is. But this video is going to be a bit different. I'm going to share with you some of the biggest problems that I see while doing the One Funnel Away challenge. So let's get started. Number 1. Overwhelm. You see, with the challenge, there's going to be something to complete every single day. There'll be a live call in the morning, a few other videos to watch, and you're going to have homework to complete right after. And oftentimes, you're going to be stuck getting feedback from everybody else who's doing the challenge and none of the coaches. I've seen so many people begging for help, whether it's with their funnel or with their offer or even with the design. And oftentimes, with a group of thousands and thousands of members, your posts will be buried by the more popular ones, and when the next day comes along, you're gonna get behind. Also, the video trainings disappear after the 30 days. Number 2, collaterals. Now, by the end of week 1, you're gonna be asked to create some collaterals for your product idea, whether it's creating an e-cover or an ebook design, and so on and so forth. Now, they do give you some options to outsource your design work, but they're often of poor quality or way too expensive. I've seen so many people struggling with their design work because they're either overpaying for what they receive or they're really getting really shitty designs. And with a bad design, your product is probably not going to sell. Number 3, idea. You see, people from all walks of life will be signing up for this challenge, whether it's someone who has been starting businesses for years and years, or someone who's just testing the waters in entrepreneurship. In this challenge, however, you will be asked to come up with an idea or a product to share with the world pretty quickly. And that tends to throw people off quite a bit. Number 4, publishing. Now, in week number 2, this is where most people drop off. In the publishing week, this is when you're asked to share your story and your personality with the rest of the world. And I personally think that is super cool and super important for any business. You have to have a message or a greater purpose behind anything that you want to create if you want to have a real impact in the world and if you want to have a business that actually makes a difference. However, in this challenge, I feel like there's a complete lack of training when it comes to publishing. Many of the people, maybe if you are watching too, many of the people in the challenge have never spoken in front of a camera before or have never spoken in front of a crowd before, and you'll be asked to publish something new every single day. They do provide you with a sample script and a few guidelines here and there, but what's the point when you don't even know how to deliver it? You see, I didn't make this video to shit on this challenge. This challenge literally changed my life. I have learned more about sales and marketing in this 30 days than I have in the past 5 years of my university degree. You'll be able to learn updated sales and marketing tactics from people who already made it in the business community. It is really the best $100 that I've ever spent in the past 5 to 10 years of my life. But I got lucky though. A lot of the challenges that I mentioned in this video didn't really affect me too much, but I've seen it affect so many of the members in the challenge itself. And it's a shame that so many people drop off just because of a lack of guidance. So do I recommend the challenge? Absolutely. If you already have a business, or if you're in the midst of starting one, or if you're just trying to learn, I can almost guarantee that your life and your business and the way you see sales and marketing will completely change if you finish the 30 days. So in order to help you to push through the 30 days, I want to offer you some of the bonuses that you'll receive for free if you sign up for the challenge through my link below. Number 1, you will be part of our Side Hustle intensive group and receive daily recaps and notes, as well as a daily live coaching call from me to address any concerns or questions that you have from the day of the training. You'll also have these recaps and video links to access the videos from the challenge for life. So no need to worry about the videos disappearing after the 30 days. Number 2, I also have an in-house designer who designs all my stuff for my business, who will not only do a fantastic job for your design needs, but also at an affordable rate. Number 3. Now, if you're part of the Side Hustle Intensive group, I will offer each and every single one of you a private one-on-one call to review your funnels or your offers, or just to get you started on that business plan and thinking what you want to offer to the world and to make the most out of this challenge. Number 4. Now, I think this is the best part. I will be sharing you some of my biggest secrets when it comes to pitching and presenting to help you get through the publishing week. Now, I've been lucky enough to be trained by district champions and Toastmasters, and I also help entrepreneurs in terms of pitching and presentations. And on a personal level, I've given workshops, live workshops to over thousands and thousands of students, so I think I know what I'm talking about. Now, if this isn't enough, I will also share with you 9 ready-made, fully designed funnel templates where you can just edit the text or edit the logo and just plug and play into your own business. So if you're interested, I'm charging $5,000 for all of this. No, I'm just kidding. I know how beneficial this course is because I've went through it myself, and I really learned so much about sales and marketing and how to run a business, and it really lays out the foundation on creating a business. So if you're interested, I invite you to sign up for the next One Funnel Away challenge through the link in the description below. Send me an email and you'll receive all the bonuses that I've mentioned in the video. Once again, Apologue's vision is to help people to better identify their purpose in life so that they can accelerate their growth and live a more fulfilling life. Good luck, and I hope to work with you soon.